Hi, welcome back to My Curly Girls and Me. This is your girl NaTasha, and today I am coming with you. I'm coming to you with a unboxing of my Curlbox for November. Okay, so let's open it up and let's see what's in it. And this wall behind me is courtesy of my daughter, my second oldest daughter, Kiki. So yeah, her chalkboard wall. She don't know I'm filming up here though. I'm upstairs and she's downstairs working. She don't know that I'm up here filming. So let's keep it a secret. And your girl do have her silk press. I did film my process, so I will be uploading that to the channel, so stay tuned for that. And I got so much of, my hair was like down here as you'll see in the video, but I got a lot cut off, so I got me a trim and I'm up to date. But let's get on with this. See, I haven't opened it. It's still taped. Should have brought some scissors up here. Let's see, what did we get? So, upon first opening it, we have a little card that comes with it every month inside the box. So, it looks like it's design. Is that design essentials? Yes, design essentials. I've never tried any of their products, so that will be interesting. It says high shine. Shimmering strands are an easy achievement with this month's high shine box. Your design essentials almond and avocado collection contains pure nut oils and butters and a healthy dose of avocado to relieve dryness, intensify the luster of your hair. Keep reading to learn how to boost your sparkle. So they have the cool off, layer up, oh honey. Yep. I'm not sure, but it looks like I've seen these products in salads before. I'm not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's the almond and avocado line with jojoba oil and chamomile from Design Essentials. This is the detangling leave-in conditioner, and this is the moisturizer and detangling conditioner. All right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 or 5 products. This is the honey curl forming custard with honey and chamomile. And this is the moisturizer and detangling sulfate-free shampoo. Edge tamer, which honey and shea edge tamer, which I am in the market right now. I'm currently looking for a edge tamer or something for my edges that does not have water in it. And so far, I haven't found anything because I need to like do my edges. I need to like slick them because they're like the first thing to like swell up on a girl, on a sister. So if anybody knows any product that is good for your edges to kind of lay them down, that won't, you know, contribute to the swelling process, please leave it down in the comments down below. Help a sister out because I'm trying to like keep this for a while. And last night my husband and I went out to eat, and right here, like my hair started swelling because I think it got some. I got a few drops of rain. I was running. I was like, oh, and then I was struggling trying to open the find the key to open the door. I'm like, oh my gosh. So yeah, I think it got me, but I'm just gonna tuck it on the inside. I'm not gonna press it, repress it, or anything like that. Go back over it or nothing like that. So just to see how long this will last me. Hopefully it will last me through Thanksgiving and I'll be good. But yeah, so let's see what's the first ingredient in this product. All the ones that I've looked at, the first ingredient was water. And so tiny. Wait, where does it start? Right? Aqua. Boom, there you go. Aqua, water is the first ingredient. I don't even, is it a such thing as a edge tamer or edge gel or anything that's just water free? Is that like really possible? So I'm like iffy about putting one that has water as the first ingredient because for obvious reasons, but maybe it won't do what I'm thinking it's going to do. And if it does, I don't know. But let me know if you have any experience with any type of edge control, edge gel, edge tamer, any of that with straight hair and it's worked for you. Let me know in the comments down below. Don't be shy. Say hi. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, thumbs it up. And if you didn't, then leave. Bye. Until next time, we'll say, I'll see you in the next one. And keep it curly, keep it natural, keep it straight. As long as it's natural, it's all good. Either way. Oh. You okay? Put that down. Put that down. That's Kiki's.